As you progress through your calisthenics training, you're going to get stronger, and that strength can be displayed by your ability to perform more reps, perform harder variations, and generally express more control and precision through more range of motion, or in other words, better form. All of these displays of progress are also forms of progression. And it's that last example that I think is really underrated. Better form has the potential to make your training more efficient. It can help you manage fatigue. It can improve your transferability across multiple movements. It can reduce your injury risk, and having some standards around movement quality makes tracking progress so much simpler. So good form isn't just a display of progress, it's also a way to better ensure progress. So adding reps and unlocking harder variations is pretty straightforward, but a lot of people have confusion over how to start improving technique, but it's actually pretty simple. So if you take a look at your pull-up and you cut the range of motion short at the bottom and you round your shoulders at the top and you do a little kip to get some extra reps in, just pick one of those things to focus on and really try to improve it. So maybe for the next 8 weeks, you practice all of your pull-ups from a dead hang instead of cutting the bottom of the rep short. And you just focus on holding yourself to that standard around the range of motion. And as you become more competent with that, you can take another objective look at your form and clean up another component. So maybe a few months later, you work on keeping your chest up and not rounding your shoulders at the top of the pull-up, but you do so while integrating the skills and strength from improving your range of motion. So that's pretty much it. You don't need to tackle everything at once. You do not need perfection. You don't even need to pursue perfection. You just need to pursue improvement. And you can apply this across multiple variations. And while you may find that, some variations have some unique technical challenges that you need to work on average, improvements in your technique will result in more transferable strength than poorly performed sloppy reps, even if you could do more of them. So it's very similar to learning another language or a martial art or any other complex skill. You start with something rough, and that's okay. That's actually where you need to start because you need something to refine before you can start refining it. But the way you do anything is mirrored back to you in what it returns. So if you want to get the most out of your calisthenics, spend some time refining your form. So I hope that makes sense. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.